Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Britain's FTSE 100 index nudged higher, led by precious metal miners, after the US inflation print came in line with expectations, boosting the likelihood of a Federal Reserve rate cut next week. The blue-chip FTSE 100 was up 0.3%, while the mid-cap FTSE 250 was flat. US consumer prices increased in November by the most in 7 months, but the Federal Reserve was still expected to deliver a third consecutive interest rate cut next week to support a labor market that has been cooling. Progress in lowering inflation towards the US Central Bank's 2% target has virtually stalled. A meteoric rise in MicroStrategy's shares has made the Bitcoin hoarder a likely candidate for the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 index, ahead of an annual reshuffle this week. The loss-making software company, an aggressive investor in the highly volatile cryptocurrency, has seen its shares soar nearly 500% this year, taking its market capitalization to $90 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Coming soon, the economic calendar will present key data points and reports that investors are likely to analyze closely for trading cues. These updates, whether high or moderate in impact, will offer valuable insights for market forecasts. These economic data points could act as triggers for market shifts. Being informed and prepared can make all the difference in effective trading and investing.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.